Hey there, future business entrepreneurs. Welcome back to What's Your Game Plan? I'm Adela Pasos, and today we're teeing off with an exciting topic, how to start your very own online golf shop. So grab your clubs and let's swing into action. The first step is to get a business plan. In the world of golf, you wouldn't want to be a one-size-fits-all kind of shop. Are you focused on beginner golfers or maybe catering to the pros? Get on Fiverr and get a professional person to help with your business plan. Just search for business plan writers and you'll be all set. Next, you need to decide on starting this business as a dropship company where you don't hold any inventory or go the self-fulfillment route, handling all of the products yourself. Dropshipping can be less hassle, but self-fulfillment gives you more control. It's definitely your call. So finding dropship suppliers is pretty easy. Just go to Google and type in dropship golf equipment. And if you'd rather manage your own inventory, just type in wholesale golf equipment. Now, this might sound kind of boring, but this is a crucial step. To get access to buying in bulk, you need to prove that you have a real business. The suppliers will ask you for your legal incorporation paperwork and something called a retail merchant certificate, or sometimes they call it a reseller permit. And you can get this from your Secretary of State's office online. Use mycorp.com to register your business as an LLC and make it official. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step and end up in the rough. They offer startup packages that are priced just right and will get all of your legal incorporation paperwork done in under just a week. Once you get the legal incorporation paperwork back, you need to set up a merchant account. This is how you're going to accept your payments. I recommend Square. It's free to set up, and they even offer free business checking accounts. Plus, it's super easy to use, and you can focus on your business instead of fiddling with payments. Technology. Our best friend. Setting up your online presence is easy. For web hosting and domain, I highly recommend Bluehost. They make it super easy to get a website name and a hosting package. After you get the Bluehost details, go back to Fiverr and find a website designer to design your pro shop. Most websites can be designed in under 3 days. You want your golf shop to stand out, right? So head on over to 99 Designs for some awesome logo and branding options. They've got designers who can create something that screams, "I'm a hole-in-one." You don't want your logo looking like it was drawn during a sand trap breakdown. So now it's time to spread the word about your business. Use social media, email marketing, and maybe even some golf influencers to help drive traffic to your shop. The average golf shop startup can earn anywhere from around $50,000 to $100,000 per year. Startup costs for a dropship business model can be as low as $500, while the self-fulfillment model might set you back around $5,000 or more. But remember, these are just averages. Your mileage may vary. And there you have it, a foolproof plan on how to start your own online golf shop. And before you go, I'm giving away my marketing strategy book series for free. If you want it, just head over to my website, enter in your email address, and I'll send it to you right away. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please leave me a comment below. Let me know what kind of business you're planning to start next. Thanks for watching What's Your Game Plan, and I'll see you next time. Happy golfing!